Slack has become one of the most popular communication tools for teams, and for good reason. It's designed to replace endless email threads with faster, more organized messaging that keeps work moving. But is it the best choice today? Let's break it down. So at its core, Slack organizes conversations into channels. Channels can be team-based, project-based, or even client-facing, which makes it easy to keep discussions structured and searchable. Unlike email, everything stays in context, so you don't waste time digging through your inbox. Direct messages and group chats add another layer for quick one-to-one or small group communication. One of Slack's biggest strengths is integrations with thousands of apps in its directory, including Google Drive, which I use personally, and it's actually very seamless, Jira, Salesforce, Zoom, and GitHub. Slack can essentially become your team's hub. You can automate workflows, receive alerts, and even manage tasks without leaving the app. Its built-in search also makes it simple to find past conversations, files, or links instantly. On the productivity side, Slack includes huddles of lightweight audio calls, built-in video meetings, and the ability to share and collaborate on files in real time. It also offers message threads, reminders, and powerful notification settings so you can stay focused without drowning in alerts. Slack is not perfect. For smaller teams, the free plan is decent. However, it only saves 90 days of messages, which is kind of annoying. And it restricts integrations. The paid plans can get expensive. As you can see, $7.25 per person per month, $15 for Business Plus, and Enterprise Plus, I think, is tailored to each and every enterprise. And some users say that Slack can actually feel overwhelming if you're part of too many active channels. So is Slack worth it? I'd say for teams that want fast, integrated, and flexible communication, it's one of the strongest options available. Shines especially in remote or hybrid workspaces where email alone is not enough. But if you're a small team looking to save costs, or if you prefer less always-on communication, you might find simpler alternatives like Teams or Discord better suited. Overall, it has earned its place as a leader in workplace collaboration, streamlined, powerful, and endlessly customizable, but not without a learning curve and a price tag.